Good morning. May I please see your passport?
Yes, here is my passport and my plane ticket.
Thank you. I see you are flying to the United States today.
Yes, I am traveling to New York.
Please place your large suitcase on the scale.
It feels quite heavy. Is the weight okay for this flight?
It is exactly 20 kilograms, which is perfect.
Good, I packed plenty of clothes for the cold weather.
Do you have any prohibited or dangerous items in your bag?
No, I only have clothes, books, and shoes.
Here is your boarding pass. Your departure gate is B12.
Thank you. What time does the plane depart?
The flight leaves at 10 o'clock sharp.
Great, I have enough time to buy a magazine.
Have a safe flight to America, Emma.
Thank you. Is the flight very long today?
Yes, it takes about 8 hours to reach New York.
That is a long time, but I have my headphones.
You can watch many movies on the plane.
I hope they have some funny comedies.
Would you prefer a window or an aisle seat?
I prefer the window seat because I like the view.
Okay, you are in seat 14A. It is a quiet spot.
That is perfect. I really want to sleep a little.
Here is your luggage tag. Please do not lose it.
I am putting it inside my carry-on bag right now.
You should go through security now, it is quite busy.
Is security far from this check-in desk?
No, it is just behind those glass doors.
Thank you for all your help, Officer John.
It is my pleasure. Enjoy the Big Apple.
Goodbye, I am ready for my big adventure.
Goodbye, Emma. Take care of your passport.
Good morning. Welcome to the Central Hotel Lobby Cafe.
Good morning, Leo. It is a very beautiful lobby.
Thank you, Emma. I like the large flowers too.
I need a very strong coffee today, Leo.
We have a double espresso or a large Americano.
I will take a large Americano, please.
Yes, Emma. We use fresh boiling water.
Can I have some cold milk on the side?
Of course. Do you want whole milk or low fat?
Whole milk is fine, Leo. I like it creamy.
Would you like to eat a fresh croissant?
Those almond croissants look very flaky and gold.
They are fresh from the bakery down the street.
I will have one almond croissant with my coffee.
I will warm the croissant for you now.
Thank you. Can I sit at that small table?
Yes, Emma. That table has a great street view.
Is the hotel very busy this week, Leo?
Yes, there is a big music concert tonight.
Oh, I saw many people with guitars here.
Oh, many famous musicians stay at the Central Hotel.
Wow, is there a famous singer here now?
Maybe, but I cannot tell you their names, Emma.
I understand, Leo. It is a very private hotel.
Your total is $9.50.
Can you charge it to my room, please? Room 402.
Yes, I see a name, Emma. Here is my signature.
Thank you for your help. You are welcome.
I will bring your tray. I'm going to read my book now. Emma, your hot Americano and croissant are ready.
It looks perfect, Leo. Have a wonderful morning.
You too, Emma. Enjoy your breakfast at the hotel.
Do you have a sugar bowl for the table?
Yes, I will bring some brown sugar to you.
This is a very relaxing way to start. Ugh, officer, please help me. I am very sad.
Hello. What happened? Are you okay, miss?
I lost my mobile phone and my house keys.
Relax, Emma. Tell me where you saw them.
I was at the Central Hotel Lobby Cafe.
Were you sitting at a small wooden table?
Yes, I had a hot Americano and a croissant.
What color is your mobile phone, Emma?
It is a black phone with a pink case.
Does the phone have a special screen protector?
Yes, it is a thick glass protector.
And your keys, are they on a silver ring?
Yes, there are 4 keys and a small cat.
A small cat? Is it a toy or photo?
It is a small gray plastic cat.
I will call the hotel manager right now.
I checked my bag 3 times. They are gone.
Wait, the manager says a girl found a phone.
Really? Is it a black phone with a pink case?
Yes, and she found the silver keys, too.
Oh, thank you. I am so happy now.
Let's go to the hotel desk for your things.
You are a very good police officer, Mark.
It is my job to help people here.
I was very scared. I could not go home.
You must be more careful with your small bags.
Yes, I will close the zipper every time.
Here is your phone. Does it work correctly?
Yes, the screen is perfect. Nothing is broken.
And here are your 4 keys and the cat.
Thank you so much. You saved my whole day.
You're welcome, Emma. Have a safe journey.
I should go to my room and rest now.
That is a very good idea. Sleep well.
Thank you again for all your help, Mark.
Emma, over here. I am in the black car.
James, I see you. I am coming right now.
Let me put your heavy bags in the boot.
Thank you. My arms are very tired today, James.
Please put on your seatbelt. Are you comfortable, Emma?
Yes, these car seats are very soft and warm.
How was your stay at the Central Hotel, Emma?
The hotel was very fancy and very big, James.
Did you have a good room on a high floor?
Yes, I could see the whole city from my window.
Did you see any famous people in the lobby?
Yes, I saw a tall man with a guitar.
Maybe he is a famous rock star, Emma.
I think so. Many people wanted to take photos.
Was the food at the hotel restaurant good, Emma?
I had a very fresh croissant for my breakfast.
I am glad. You look very happy and relaxed.
But I had a big problem this morning, James.
What happened? Did you lose your big suitcase?
I lost my mobile phone and my keys.
Oh, no. That is a very scary problem, Emma.
A nice police officer named Mark helped me find them.
That is great news. I am happy you are safe.
Me, too. I missed you in our quiet house, James.
I missed you, too. The house was very quiet. Look, we are almost home. I can see our street now.
Yes, please pull into the driveway. You've been a wonderful husband today.
We are here. Welcome home, Emma.
I feel much better after that nap, James.
I'm glad to hear that. Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, I'm starving. I'd love a big dinner.
Do you want me to cook some pasta at home?
No, I'm too tired to clean up the kitchen. Let's go out for a special dinner.
That sounds lovely. Where would you like to go?
How about that new Italian restaurant near the park?
I love Italian food. Do they have fresh pizza?
Yes, their website says they use a wood-fired oven.
Wood-fired pizza is my favorite. Or would you prefer the French cafe on Main Street?
No, the French cafe is too expensive and quiet.
You're right. I want somewhere fun and loud. What about the Mexican place?
I love spicy tacos, but my stomach is a bit sensitive today.
Okay, no spicy food. Let's stick with the Italian place.
Should we walk there or take the car?
The sun is setting, so let's walk. It's a beautiful evening.
It's 7 o'clock. Do we need a reservation?
I'm checking the app now. Yes, I've already booked a table.
You are very organized, James. Thank you.
You're welcome. I want tonight to be perfect after your trip.
I think I'll wear my new blue dress.
You will look beautiful in that dress.
I need to find my house keys first.
I have them right here in my pocket.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad the officer found them.
Let's go. I can almost smell the garlic bread.
I hope they have chocolate cake for dessert too.
We can check the menu when we arrive.
This is a wonderful end to my long journey.
I'm just happy you are finally home with me.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I have a few questions about the menu.
Of course. How can I help you today?
This menu is very long. What is the chef's special?
It's a spicy seafood pasta.
Is it very spicy? I don't really like hot food.
Yes, it has quite a lot of red peppers and garlic.
No, I won't have the pasta then.
How about a fresh pizza from our oven?
That sounds better. Do you have a vegetable pizza?
Yes, it includes mushrooms, green peppers, and onions.
I like mushrooms, but I don't like onions.
We can certainly make it without onions for you.
That's perfect. I'll have the vegetable pizza.
One vegetable pizza without onions. Anything else?
Does the salad come with cheese?
Yes, it has goat cheese and nuts on top.
I'll take a small green salad, too, please.
One pizza and one salad. What would you like to drink?
I want something cold. Do you have fresh juice?
We have orange juice or apple juice.
I'll have a large glass of orange juice.
Would you like some ice in your juice?
Yes, please. 2 or 3 cubes of ice.
Very good. I have your full order now.
Thank you, David. You are very patient.
It's no problem at all. I want you to be happy.
How long will the food take?
The pizza will take about 15 minutes.
That's fine. I'm happy to wait.
I'll bring your juice right away.
Thank you. I'm really hungry. Excuse me, can I speak to the manager?
Hello, I am Mr. Miller. How can I help you?
I have a big problem with my dinner.
Oh dear, I'm very sorry to hear that.
I specifically ordered a vegetable pizza with no onions.
Let me look at your plate.
Look, there are red onions all over this pizza.
You're right. This is definitely the wrong order.
Also, the pizza is cold.
Cold. That shouldn't happen today.
I waited 30 minutes for this cold meal.
I'm so sorry. We are very busy tonight.
I'm hungry and I have a headache.
I will talk to the chef right now.
Do I have to wait another 30 minutes?
No, I'll make sure a new one is ready in 10 minutes.
Please ensure there are absolutely no onions.
I will watch the chef make it myself.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. I appreciate your help.
I want you to be happy at our restaurant.
I will sit here and wait.
I'm going to the kitchen now.
I am content now. I hope the new pizza is hot.
It will be perfect, I promise.
Good. I'm ready to eat a hot dinner. I'm finally full, James. That pizza was great.
Yes, it was hot and fresh.
Look, there is a small ice cream shop over there.
Oh, I love ice cream. Let's go inside.
It smells wonderful in here, like vanilla.
They have 20 different flavors today, Emma.
20? That makes it a very difficult choice.
I see chocolate, strawberry, and mint. Do they have any fruit flavors like mango?
Yes, look at that yellow ice cream over there.
Actually, I want something very sweet tonight. How about the cookies and cream flavor?
That sounds perfect. I love crunchy cookies.
Would you like a paper cup or a cone?
I want a large waffle cone, please.
And I would like a small cup of dark chocolate.
Do you want any colorful sprinkles on top, James?
No, I just want the plain chocolate.
I am adding some nuts and caramel to mine.
This is the best part of my day.
Mine is very rich and cold. I love it.
Today was a very long adventure, Emma.
Yes, from the airport to the city and finally home.
I am happy to be back here with you.
I am happy you are home, too, James.
Let's walk to the park and eat our treat.
Good idea. The moon is very bright tonight.
This is a perfect end to my journey.
Thanks for watching. Let's like and follow me to see more videos from Lingova.